Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Lot of iPhone user reporting that their iPhone calendar app shows Microsoft suggestion notification. Actually, it is not a virus, it's something that get added to your calendar because you may accept or clicked from pop-up on a website. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. The first thing that we have to do, remove suspicious calendar account. To check that, go to settings, scroll down, find and tap on calendar. Under calendar, tap on accounts. Here we have to check if there is any suspicious account. If there is, then tap on that account and tap delete account. After deleting the suspicious account, we go for solution number 2. Delete the calendar entry in calendar app. For that, open calendar, tap on calendars. If you see any suspicious calendar entry or anything else, tap on I symbol in front of that account or that entry, then scroll down and tap delete calendar. Tap on done, close the calendar app. Now we go for solution number 3. Remove website data in Safari. To do this, go to settings, scroll down, find and tap on Safari. Under Safari, scroll down and tap clear history and website data and tap again to confirm. Solution number 4. Check software update. Launch settings and connect to Wi-Fi. Then tap general and tap software update and update your iPhone if update is available. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.